How to make money from YouTube, free guide. Digital marketing make money from YouTube 0. Many people are making a lot of money by just having a YouTube channel. If you're into creating interesting videos or something where other people can learn from, then it's the right way for you to earn a passive income. A lot of YouTubers are earning serious money every month by just uploading videos depending on their niche. You can upload any videos that you can think of. Just make sure that it follows the guidelines to make it possible for you to monetize your channel. Just make sure that your content is advertiser-friendly for you to start your way into making money from your content. How to make money on YouTube 2020. If you have decided to take the leap and become a YouTuber, you need to take this seriously if you want to make money from YouTube. The most popular way that you can make money from YouTube by providing content and running ads. Since YouTube is also under Google, you can make this possible by applying for the YouTube Partner Program. You will need to have an AdSense account for this so that you can start monetizing your video contents and start earning from the traffic that you get from your channel. How to make money on YouTube without making videos. You don't have to create your video to have your YouTube channel. If you're camera shy or you're not as creative as other YouTubers, don't worry about it. You can make money on YouTube without making videos of your own by using other videos instead. Don't worry, it's not illegal to do so. Just make sure that you're using videos that are under the Creative Commons area of YouTube. It means that all the video content under those criteria are copyright-free. Anyone can use them for whatever legal purpose it may serve them. Google AdSense also allowed it, so you just have to browse through that area and choose which videos you want to grab. How to enable monetization on YouTube. Make sure that you will enable monetization using your computer. You cannot see this option if you're using the app from your mobile until you have it activated from your YouTube channel from your PC. Go to the YouTube Studio app. Click on Menu and select the video you want to monetize. Tap on the Edit icon and Monetization tab. Click on Save to make sure that your video can get monetized. YouTube monetization requirements. Make sure to follow these requirements if you want to start making money from your YouTube channel. This way, you will also get approved by Google AdSense so you can start making money. You must be 18 years old or at least have a legal guardian that is 18 and above who can manage payments from AdSense. You must be in a country or area where the program is available. You need to have 1,000 or more subscribers on your channel. You need to have 4,000 or more hours views in the last 12 months. Must follow the YouTube channel monetization policies and guidelines. Finally, my channel has been monetized. How many views do you need on YouTube to make money? Vloggers are making money from YouTube, depending on the views that they get. You can start making money if you already have at least 1,000 views, which are estimated from $1 to $3. That will depend on the ads that will be shown on your content. It can also depend if your viewer watches the ad for at least 30 seconds. So it's best to have as many viewers as possible for you to have more chances of earning. How does YouTube send you money? YouTube will send money that you earn from your video contents via your Google AdSense account. Once you have reached at least $10 from ads, Google will send you a postcard that has a verification code to verify your address. You can cash out from AdSense once your earnings reach $100, and it can be sent out via check or bank transfer, depending on the payment preference you have selected when setting up your AdSense account. How to earn money from YouTube without AdSense. 1. Become an affiliate. You can apply to companies to become an affiliate marketer and have an affiliate link on your YouTube content. Affiliate marketing is based on results, so you need to encourage your viewers to sign up or buy from your affiliate link so you can earn a commission from them. 2. Sell own products. Instead of living with just the ads or commissions, you can also sell your products using your YouTube channel. If you have your e-commerce website, YouTube videos can be one of the best ways to advertise your product to your audience. 3. Sponsorships. The best part of having sponsorships is that you can get paid a fixed amount. It will not depend on your content performance as long as you mention them on your YouTube channel. 4. Paid membership. If your channel has a decent amount of viewers and followers, you can try to go for a paid membership program. It's equivalent to offering a Patreon account for you to earn from the membership fees of your subscribers. You just need to make sure that you have at least 30,000 subscribers to qualify for this program. 5. Paid consultation. If you're producing high-quality content and you're an expert of something, then it's best to offer paid consultation for your subscribers. Instead of just giving everything for free, you can go for a paid consultation to assist someone who needs your expertise. Conclusion. It's not too late to start your YouTube channel. You can still go ahead and try to make money from YouTube. There are many YouTube sensations as well as vloggers who are able to make their content to earn them a lot of money. It's a lucrative business for you to have, and all you need is to have some exciting video content and monetize your channel also to earn money from this platform.